Good medical morning. For you Dr. Sanjali fans, you might be familiar with this so-called grapefruit-sized lump. And as you learned, this is a fatty tumor. But how common is this type of condition? Let's look at so-called buffalo humps and similar conditions known as dorsocervical fat pads. We'll talk about treatment and discuss the conditions in detail. I'm Watson, and this is YouTube's Greatest Medical. A dorsocervical fat pad is an accumulation of fat on the back of the neck between the shoulders. A dorsocervical fat pad may be due to the use of some antiretroviral drugs used to treat HIV. They're also a result of obesity, and frankly, sometimes people just grow fatty tumors without explanation.
It refers to abnormal fat deposition in the back of the neck. There's a head there, the back here is the back of the neck. Now it can occur for a number of reasons, just due to weight, number of hormonal conditions can cause it, and also a number of medications can cause it, but the end result is too much fat in the wrong spot.
In this case, a doctor is removing one of these fat pads with simple liposuction. And in this case, Dr. Sanjali removes a fatty tumor from the shoulders to flatten the pad. Now let's take a moment to check out some similar pictures and examples, and stick around for a word about my favorite weight loss supplement, Thynergy.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.
What's up, y'all? It's Kyle Pegger with the Buffalo Bills. Sorry it's a little dark. I'm in the sauna right now, getting the body right. But I wanted to shout out Thynergy. It's a weight loss supplement for men and women. Stay in shape, and the importance to good fitness. I definitely think that it's key for me as an athlete that we stay in shape, eat right, condition the body, and it prevents injury. And definitely encourage everyone to stay on top of their health, on top of their fitness game. Much love and peace.
From athletes to supermodels, everybody's talking about Thynergy. Diet, exercise, and Thynergy are your keys to losing weight. It's available only on Amazon. Check it out today.
You and me were meant to be.